Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio SendGrid email authentication SPF DKIM detailed. To activate Twilio SendGrid email authentication, start by logging into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the email settings section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Sender Authentication option. Select the Authenticate Your Domain button. Choose your DNS host from the drop-down menu. If your DNS host is not listed, select Other. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. For SPF authentication, select the option to create an SPF record. Follow the provided instructions to add the TXT record to your DNS settings. Now, move on to DKIM authentication by selecting the DKIM option. You will see a set of name records that need to be added to your DNS. Copy each name record one by one. Access your DNS provider's website and log into your account. Locate the DNS settings or DNS management section. Add each name record as instructed by SendGrid. After adding the records, return to the SendGrid dashboard. Click on the Verify button to check the status of your entries. The system will notify you if your SPF and DKIM are properly configured. Once verified, your email authentication will be successfully activated. Monitor your email deliverability regularly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.